bike is slow, a train is quick, a rabbit jumps, a turtle walks. Comparing things is how we talk. Bigger, smaller, faster too. Comparatives help me and you. Stronger, longer, taller, see. Compare the world easily.
A lion's stronger than a cat,
And a cat,
a bus is bigger than a car,
think of that.
a plane is faster than a train.
Learning English is our game.
Who is taller, who is faster, which one wins the race at last?
Comparing things is what we do. English helps me talk to